Today I'm going to be reviewing this juicer. I'm going to tell you some of the things I love about it and then show you how to clean it. So I don't know about you guys, but when I am looking to buy appliances for my kitchen, of course I care about their function and how well they work, but to me one of the most important things is how easy is it to clean. Because I hate doing dishes. I think it's a pain. I hate when there's a ton of little parts you have to clean and then I'm worried or paranoid that there are little spots I didn't get and then something gross is gonna grow there and it's not gonna be safe to use much longer. So I like to talk about cleaning with this because this is the easiest juicer to clean ever. So I was so worried when I was looking for juicers on what the cleaning process would be like because it can be pretty messy juicing, you know, and you don't want the juice to dry up and get kind of moldy and little cracks and crevices of the device or the appliance, and then it make your juice gross in the future. This is so easy to clean and it gives me such peace of mind knowing that there's not going to be any gross juice left over on it after I clean it. So I'm going to make some juice real quick to show you how easy it is to use, and it is so quiet, and this is the best juicer. But then I'm going to show you how you can take it apart and clean it so easy. Alright, so now that I've made my juice, I'm going to take apart the juicer so that I can clean it. It is so easy to take apart. You just take off the tray on the top part there, and then there's a button you can click right here, and then you're going to click it and then twist this part out. Once you've taken this part out, then you can take each piece apart from there. You can twist out this front part here, then you can take out this part that catches all the grind, and then you can take out the part that helps it twist and rotate here, and then it's in much smaller pieces that are easier to clean so that you can get every little crack and space in the juicer totally clean to use for next time. So as you can see, you can break it into 6 little pieces and then the 2 bowls to clean. It's great because they give this little brush to help clean out all the little cracks and crevices in the juicer. There's the big brush on one side, kind of like a toothbrush, and then on the other side, there's a much smaller, finer brush to get into the little spaces that are harder to reach. That's what gives me such peace of mind knowing that I'm able to get all of the juice residue and skin and peel out of the juicer so that it's completely clean, no mold will grow over time, and it's going to be safe to use next time. You can use warm water and just regular dish soap on this. It's really simple, doesn't mean any special tools or any special soap, which is great. And then you just clean out every little piece, and then if you got any juice on the main machine, you just wipe it down. You don't want to submerge that in water, but you can just wipe it down with a cloth of water and some dish soap, and it'll be totally clean. And I just love this product. I hope you guys get this because this juicer is amazing, and it's so easy to clean and so easy to make juice, and I absolutely love it.